My video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website yoursecuresoft.com. yoursecuresoft.com. This website, on one hand, tries to encourage visitors into subscribing to the ads in the form of web push notifications. On the other hand, this website tries to scare people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At first glance, it might look as if the software promoted through these pop-ups is decent, but when you mistakenly click on this proceed button, you may be forwarded to some other questionable sites that promote totally different software. So you should be careful not to interact with all these pop-ups. They are the example of the online scam that you should never trust. If you see any pop-ups like that, this could mean that your system is contaminated by some hidden adware. So access the menu of your Windows computer, go to Search, look for the control panel and check any suspicious programs and uninstall them if you find them. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I would strongly advise scanning your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get its latest version is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green download button. Install the software and start researching your device to detect and eliminate other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.